Hi everyone, my name is Akash BR. I'm a student of SVC Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. My USN ID is 23IS1584, subject Waste Management, subject code BETCK105F, topic Pollution Prevention and Waste Minimization. Yeah, let's learn about today's topic. Let's go about introduction and next we are discussing about the definition and the types of pollution, the sources of pollution, waste generation, pollution prevention strategies, waste minimization techniques, government regulations, challenges. Introduction. Pollution prevention and waste minimization are critical components of sustainable environmental management. By actively engaging in these practices, we can significantly reduce the negative impact on our planet. It's not just about safeguarding ecosystems and biodiversity, it's also about protecting human health, ensuring resource efficiency, and fostering more resilient and responsible global community. By minimizing pollution and waste, we can contribute to a healthier environment and as well as the more sustainable economy, and we can give a better quality of life for present and as well as the future generations. Let's discuss about the definition of pollution prevention. Pollution prevention, which involves implementing practices, technologies, and strategies to eliminate or reduce the generation of pollutants at their source. The goal is to avoid or minimize the release of harmful substances into the environment, thereby preventing environmental degradation and promoting sustainable practices. The waste minimization, which refers to the reduction of the amount of the waste generated at its source, this can involve practices such as recycling, reusing materials, and adopting efficient production processes to decrease the overall quantity of waste produced. The aim to minimize the environmental impact associated with the generation and disposal of waste, contributing to a more sustainable and responsible approach to resource management. Yeah, let's learn about the types of the pollution. Air pollution. The air pollution, which involves the presence of harmful substances in the air, such as pollutants emitted from vehicles and as well as the industrial activities and burning fossil fuels. Prevention strategies include transitioning to cleaner energy sources, implementing stricter emission standards, promoting public transportation, and encouraging the use of renewable energy. Water pollution. The water pollution which occurs when contaminants enter water bodies, compromising water quality. Prevention methods include proper waste disposal, sewage treatment, enforcing industrial effluent standards, and implementing conservation practices in agriculture. Public awareness campaigns can also play a crucial role in reducing water pollution. Soil pollution. The soil pollution which results from the introduction of hazardous substances into the soil, often through industrial activities, improper waste disposal, and the use of agrochemicals. Prevention involves adopting sustainable agricultural practices, reducing the use of harmful pesticides and fertilizers, and implementing proper waste management techniques. Soil conservation methods such as afforestation and erosion control also contribute to preventing soil pollution. Yeah, the sources of pollution. We have the various types of various types of the sources for a pollution. The various industries which contribute to environmental pollution through different sources. In the manufacturing sector, industrial emissions and discharges of pollutants from factories are significant contributors. Agriculture releases pollutants such as pesticides and fertilizers into soil and water bodies. The transportation industry emits pollutants from vehicles, including exhaust fumes and oil spills. Energy production, especially from fossil fuels, releases air pollutants and greenhouse gases. Improper waste disposal practices in both industrial and municipal settings, which leads to a pollution of land and water. The identifying and addressing these sources is crucial for sustainable industrial practices and overall environmental health. Waste generation. Waste generation varies across sectors, contributing to environmental challenges in the industrial sector. Manufacturing processes produces hazardous and non-hazardous waste, including chemicals and byproducts. The agricultural sector generates organic waste from crop residues and animal manure. Construction and demolition activities contribute to construction waste such as concrete, wood, and metals. The healthcare sector produces medical waste, including shafts and hazardous materials. Municipal activities generate solid waste from households and commercial establishments. Pollution prevention strategies. Preventing pollution at its source involves proactive measures to reduce or eliminate the release of harmful substances into the environment. Adopting eco-friendly materials in manufacturing processes such as biodegradable or recyclable alternatives helps minimize environmental impact. Implementing cleaner production processes like using energy efficient technologies and recycling water reduces industrial emissions. Additionally, strict adherence to environmental regulations and the incorporation of sustainable practices such as green chemistry principles contribute to preventing pollution at its origin. These strategies not only protect ecosystems but also promote a more sustainable and responsible approach to resource utilization. Waste minimization techniques. Minimizing waste generation involves adopting practices that prioritize resource efficiency and environmental sustainability. Recycling materials allows for the reuse of resources, reducing the need for raw material and decreasing waste. Reusing materials, whether in product design or through community initiatives, extends the lifespan of items and minimizes disposal. Promoting a circular economy where products are designed for durability, repair, and recycling fosters a continuous loop of resource use. By embracing these methods, we not only reduce the environmental burden of waste, but also contribute to more sustainable and circular approach to resource management. Let's learn about the government regulations. The government regulations which plays a crucial role in promoting pollution prevention and as well as the waste minimization by setting through a set of standards and guidelines for industries. Environmental laws establish limits on emissions, waste disposal, and as well as the pollution levels, compelling businesses to adopt cleaner and more sustainable practices. These regulations, which also encourage the development and implementation of technologies that reduce environmental impact, government incentives such as tax benefits for eco-friendly initiatives further motivate businesses to prioritize pollution prevention and waste minimization. Overall, regulatory frameworks provide a foundation for a responsible and environmentally conscious approach to industrial activities. Challenges. Implementing pollution prevention and waste minimization faces challenges including initial costs of adopting sustainable technologies, resistance to change in traditional practices, and the need for consistent regulatory enforcement. Lack of awareness and education can hinder public and industrial engagement. Additionally, some sectors may find it challenging to balance economic interests with environmental responsibility. Overcoming these challenges requires a collaborative efforts, a government support through incentives and stringent regulations, and ongoing education to promote a shift in mindset towards sustainable practices. Thank you.